You step out of the private elevator and into your apartment. No hallway, no neighbors. Just you and 360-degree views of the most iconic skyline in the world. The living room stretches out in all directions, glass walls towering from floor to ceiling. With the Empire State Building, Central Park, and the Hudson River all within sight, you're not just watching New York, you're floating above it. This is what it feels like to rent a $100,000 per month apartment in New York City. Just to live in the city, but to live above it. Every surface reflects ambition. Every material whispers wealth. The ceilings rise 14 feet. The floors are imported marble, shoe walls, organized by occasion, and drawers lined with velvet for jewelry and accessories. A rainfall shower with body jets, aromatherapy mist, and views straight out across the skyline. The office with skyline views, rare wood finishes, and shelves lined with hand-selected books. A personal gym with top-tier equipment, sauna, and even an in-home massage room. You don't bathe in this apartment, you reset your life. Daily housekeeping, car service on demand, private security, temperature-controlled storage, a private sommelier, personal butler on call. At $100,000 a month, this isn't rent, it's access. Complete separation from the noise, the crowds, and the ordinary. You're not just renting space, you're renting silence, power, prestige, to luxury, privacy, and the rhythm of a city that bends to your will. A gas fireplace sits in the center of the room, surrounded by custom Italian furnishings. A king-sized bed faces the skyline. There's a fireplace, a seating area, a full dressing room, and a wraparound balcony that lets you step out above Manhattan at sunrise. There's no sound here but the distant hum of a city that never sleeps, and the soft click of champagne glasses when the night winds down. Residents-only lounges, wellness centers, and rooftop pools with skyline views and butler service. Sub-zero refrigeration, a Le Cornu oven, custom cabinetry, and counters carved from a single slab of quartzite. In a city where millions squeeze into square feet, you're renting the sky. There's a hidden prep kitchen in the back because personal chefs don't work out front. You don't carry keys in an apartment like this. Space where every inch, every light, every view is designed to match your ambition. Just behind it, a wine wall with space for over 500 bottles. Temperature-controlled and backlit like a luxury boutique. Everything was chosen not just for comfort, but to impress. The table itself, solid oak, handmade, imported, surrounded by plush velvet chairs, and framed by curated modern art. This is a place built for entertaining billionaires, CEOs, and the kind of people whose time is measured in millions. Step into the kitchen, and you'll find appliances most people will never touch. The dining room seats 12 comfortably, with skyline views and soft ambient lighting that adjusts with the time of day. Let's walk down the private gallery hall, where motion sensor lights follow your steps. Each room opens via touchpad or facial recognition. The primary suite is a corner of the world built for quiet power. The closet is the size of most one-bedroom apartments, built-ins with suede and leather accents. Full-length mirrors with customizable lighting, a watchwinder vault. The bathroom is a sanctuary. Radiant heated floors, freestanding soaking tub carved from imported stone, double vanities under golden lighting, and then there's everything else. The media room with 8,000 projection, acoustically engineered walls, and custom seating for private movie nights. Services are white glove. A full-time concierge. The building itself is ultra-exclusive. Private entrances. No-fly zone airspace. Valet for exotic cars. But what you're really paying for what that $100,000 a month gets you as peace in the heart of chaos? Because in New York, space is the ultimate currency. This isn't just an apartment, it's a statement. A residence for those who never settle. And when the city below moves without pause, you're above it all, watching, waiting, owning the skyline.